Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Combine 2 cups white rice flour and 1/2 cup tapioca, starch in a bowl and whisk briefly. This ratio gives chewy, slightly translucent faux noodles. Add 3 cups water gradually while stirring to avoid lumps and achieve a pourable batter the consistency of heavy cream. Cover and let the batter rest for 30 minutes at room temperature so starches hydrate and air bubbles settle, which improves texture when steamed. Heat a steamer to a rolling boil and prepare an 8-inch flat tray brushed with 1 teaspoon neutral oil. Oil prevents sticking and sharp edges. Pour enough batter to spread to about a 1/8-inch thickness and use an offset spatula to create an even sheet, then steam sheets for 60 to 90 seconds until translucent and no raw flour smell remains. Remove each sheet carefully, stack on a damp cloth, and cover to keep moist before cutting. When sheets are cool enough to handle, use a clean knife to fold them loosely and cut into 3/8-inch wide noodles for classic faux size. Cut straight to avoid ragged edges. To serve, briefly blanch noodles 10 to 20 seconds in boiling water, drain, and transfer immediately into hot faux broth to finish cooking and absorb flavor. For storage, wrap fresh sheets in a damp cloth and plastic, refrigerate up to 48 hours, or freeze between parchment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.